My dear students, you know very well that it is education which really separates a human being from animal. Without proper education, a human being cannot be a human being. A human being will be similar to the animal without education. It is education which really helps us to think better, to do better, to motivate the others to go ahead, to do something better and better every day. You might have just met some of the illiterate persons, even their behavior is totally different from yours. Why? What is the reason? Because you are going to be educated day by day, and some of the people are really neglecting the education. They never try to get better education, they never tried their best to be educated in their whole life. And that's why they are totally different from the rest part of the society. A society is made with the constitution of the good quality of people. Wherever you will find if in a society the people are fully educated, well educated, the society really survive better. The people of society always think better for the welfare of the others. But wherever, if there are a number of people living without proper education or not well educated, you will find that their thought, the way of thinking is totally different than that of yours. So in this sense, we can say for a well-developed country, for the development of the country, for the development of the society, for the development of human personality, education is important. Education is compulsory. It is necessary. Without education, we even cannot survive a single day in our life. There are different type of people in the society. Some people live, they also earn, and some of the people, those who are well educated, they also earn, but their living standard is totally different. Living standard means if the earning of a well educated person is only 2000 rupees, educated person knows how to utilize the 2000 rupees for the overall month. Similarly, you will find the person who is not well educated and earning similarly 2000 rupees per month and doesn't have any idea how to utilize it, you will find that the person starts to misuse the earned amount. So in this sense, we can say education is very, very important for our personality development, for the development of our country, for the development of our society, for the upbringing of the nation up to the well-developed nation. Next point is given here, health and well-being of small children. Health, whenever there will be a heavy load, even on the shoulder of a kid's standard 1, student of standard 1, this means the shape of the body will start to means mismatch. The shape of the body will start to be disordered day by day. So there is a very bad effect of the heavy load of the books of small children. And that's why it is the policy of the government that there should be less books in the bag. Only requirement means whatever the books require every day as per the routine of the class, students should carry only those books. Next point is given, role of smart classes. Undoubtedly, if the smart classes are going on in each and every class, certainly you will find no need to bring the textbook every day because every text is already inserted in the smart class. And my dear students, standard 7, you are the luckiest one that you are having the smart class in your own section. Even you can find once again, I am not operating it, but it is already available. There you can see. This will remind you about your school day life, that coming to school and going back to your home, that was very important in your life, but due to corona you are staying at your home. Your teacher is working, But what about the smart classes? We should pray to God so that we will be once again free from corona and your offline classes will be started. So role of smart class is very, very important, and where the schools which are managing the smart classes, you will find that the load of the books are reducing day by day. The final point is benefits of technology used in schools. Undoubtedly, if a school is based on the higher technology, this means school is really providing a better education to each and every child. The child who has already admitted in the school, such a school, is getting more and more benefit because of the technology. Technology will really make the school bags lighter and lighter. Suppose that if a student is allowed to carry your own laptop, this means the weight of the laptop is not more than 2 kilograms, maybe 1.5 kilogram. Sometimes you will find that the weight of the laptop is 1 kilogram. This means you are only carrying 1 kg weight on your shoulder. So there cannot be any bad effect, bad harm for it. So my dear students, I have discussed over all the points which are available in your book. You all are having the textbook, and and I expect that you all are able to write down over this debate. So school bags should be made lighter, and how it will be lighter? Whenever you will add these the points, certainly your debate will be very impressive, and really it will impress a lot of people, a number of people, whenever the person would come to know about it. And the next thing, I would like to know from your side is that whether you are completing your fair copy or not. Yesterday, some of the students have sent me the homework, means the work which I had really assigned. Complete the debate by adding some more lines. Just I am recalling the name of Kritika Dangi. Is she present in the class? Kritika?
Yes, sir.
Hello.